What if the universe forgot it ever had a mind? What if consciousness, the fragile echo of stars, was swallowed by silence? We think, we remember, we dream.
But in the heart of a black hole, even memory collapses. And if the cosmos once knew itself, it may already be forgetting.
In the heart of galaxies, light shines. But sometimes, what shines is the final breath of a dying star. At the center of many galaxies, a faceless monster waits. A supermassive black hole. Devouring light. Twisting time. And scattering meaning. Some of these black holes launch jets. Cosmic beams so powerful that if aimed at Earth, they could strip away our atmosphere in seconds. And this is not the end. The universe is expanding. Driven by a force we cannot see, dark energy. Galaxies drift apart. Stars go dark. And eventually, everything fades into a cold, endless silence. The Quran says, "I swear by the positions of the stars, and truly, that is a mighty oath." Perhaps it speaks of collapse, of disappearance. Of a death hidden within light. We are children of stardust. But one day, the galaxies may forget us.
There is a silence at the heart of galaxies. Not the silence of peace, but the silence of death. Not human death, but cosmic death. A death that devours light, shreds time, and erases memory. At the center of many galaxies, a faceless monster waits. A supermassive black hole, so dense, it swallows millions of suns. Without a sound, one of them is Cygnus X1. The first black hole ever discovered. Another is Ton 618, a cosmic titan. With a mass over 66 billion times that of our Sun, if you stood near it, not just your body, but your memory, your time, your very meaning would collapse. How are these monsters born? From the death of giant stars. From explosions that shake the fabric of space. From collapses that turn light into silence. Around them lies the event horizon. A boundary of no return. A star that drifts too close. Is torn apart, its light stretched. Its atoms scattered, until it vanishes. There even time is a victim. Seconds stretch into centuries, moments freeze, and eternity becomes a trap. And we live in a galaxy with such a monster at its heart. Its name is Sagittarius Asterisk, and it is watching. Will it one day awaken? Will our galaxy offer us to the dark, in the end? Only one thing remains, the question.
Not all galaxies are peaceful. Some are angry. And their anger is made of light. A deadly kind of light. At the heart of these galaxies, supermassive black holes spin violently. But they don't just consume. They fire. They launch jets. Beams of charged particles. Accelerated to near the speed of light. Stretching across millions of light years. One of them is J23453268-0449256. A distant galaxy, whose jets extend over 6 million light-years. Imagine that. A stream of destruction, fired from the core of darkness. If it were aimed at Earth, our atmosphere would vanish in seconds. No explosion. No warning. Just silence. These jets are cosmic weapons. And we are simply in their path. We have no shield. No defense. Only hope. That they point elsewhere. Scientists say these jets are born from the chaotic spin of black holes. From magnetic fields twisted by gravity. From matter torn apart. And hurled into space. With surgical precision. They are beautiful. Terrifying. Precise. And in their beauty, there is death. We watch them from afar, as if they are distant fireworks. But they are not celebration, they are warning. In the quiet of space, some galaxies kill. And we, the watchers, can only wonder when, or if, our turn will come. The universe is not still. It expands. Not slowly, but with a mysterious acceleration. No one fully understands. Scientists call it dark energy. An invisible force, pulling galaxies apart, stretching space itself, like a fabric unraveling. In the far future, so distant that even time forgets itself, galaxies will no longer see each other. Light will no longer reach its destination. And every star will die alone. This is the heat death of the universe. No explosions. No fire. No screams. Only silence. A cold, eternal silence. In that moment, there will be no light, no memory, no witness. The universe will die slowly. Not with rage, but with forgetting. In the heart of a black hole, not only matter collapses, but time itself breaks down. And if time and matter can die, what happens to consciousness? We think of the mind as a delicate echo of energy and structure. But when both vanish beyond the event horizon, does thought vanish too? Does memory dissolve? Does meaning evaporate? For decades, scientists have wrestled with this question. It's called the information paradox, posed by Stephen Hawking. If something falls into a black hole, its information seems to disappear forever. But that violates the laws of physics. Information must survive, even if the body does not. So where does it go? Some say it's stored on the surface of the black hole, the event horizon, like a shadow of what once was. But shadows are not clarity. They are not recovery. They are not remembrance. If our minds are echoes of the universe, then what happens? When the universe forgets, perhaps consciousness is not lost, but scattered. Perhaps meaning is not erased, but rewritten in a language we no longer understand. Or perhaps, in the deepest silence of gravity, even thought dies. We stand here, thinking about the cosmos, while the cosmos may no longer think about us. If our minds are reflections of the stars, will the stars one day forget their own reflection? In the end, not only light fades, but meaning. And maybe, we are just a memory, in a mind that no longer exists, deep in the heart of distant galaxies. Some black holes do more than consume. They fire. They launch jets, streams of charged particles, moving near the speed of light, stretching across millions of light years. A study published in Nature Communications reveals these jets don't release their energy near the black hole, but far away, where they can reshape entire regions of space. If one were aimed at Earth, our atmosphere could vanish in seconds. No sound, no warning, just annihilation. Some galaxies are not just homes of stars. They are cosmic weapons. And we are simply standing in their path. Among all the oaths in creation, one stands out with trembling power. I swear by the positions of the stars, and truly, that is a mighty oath, if you but knew. Quran 56:75-76. The word mawaki, positions, comes from a root meaning to fall, to collapse, to descend. Is this not the language of dying stars? Of light folding into itself? Of cosmic silence? Elsewhere, the Quran speaks again. when the sun is wrapped up, and when the stars lose their light. Quran 81:1-2. A vision not just of a solar ending, but perhaps of the universe itself. A time when stars dim, light fades, and the cosmos forgets its own brilliance. Scientists call it the heat death of the universe. A future where galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, and space becomes cold, dark, and still. But the Quran spoke of this silence long before equations did. It swore by the collapse of stars, by the fading of light, by the grandeur of endings. Perhaps these verses are not just warnings, but invitations to witness the vastness, to feel our smallness, and to remember that even in cosmic death, there is meaning.
And now, if the universe ever forgets it had a mind, what will become of ours? Will we vanish with the stars, or remain as echoes in a silence that no longer remembers us?
If this journey stirred something in you, share your thoughts below. Do you believe consciousness can survive cosmic death? Or are we merely memory waiting to fade?
Subscribe. If you dare to keep asking the questions the universe may never answer.